Hi, and welcome back to Loaves and Dishes. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make egg drop soup. It's cold and I think it's icing here. Like, I have the door open because the light's better, and I think it's trying to snow. It's just refusing to, and so it's just ice. So it's the perfect weather for egg drop soup. Anyways, before we get into today's video, be sure to subscribe. We love it when you subscribe. It really means a lot to us, and it makes me really excited when I see another subscriber. So thank you for subscribing, and thank you if you've been a subscriber. Also, a little bit about myself. My name's Sarah. I have worked for Loaves and Dishes, which is a food website. I've worked for them for 2 years in this capacity doing these videos, but I've been doing recipe and content creation for a while. I have worked in a lot of different kitchens. I have a lot of background cooking. I have been doing cooking stuff since I was in high school. So that's a little bit about me, and let's make some egg drop soup. Okay, so in my pot, I am adding in 3 cups of chicken stock. And I have the heat on pretty high. I want to bring this up to a full boil, and then I'm going to cut the heat before I add the eggs. But right now it's on pretty high. I added in a pinch of salt. I'm adding in about half a teaspoon of sugar, some white pepper, and some turmeric for color. The turmeric is optional. If you don't want to add it, you don't have to. It just gives it a nice yellow color. And then I added some extra chicken bouillon. And if you're going to be doing a lot of Asian cooking, I do recommend getting white pepper, but you don't have to use it if you don't have it. And so then I added a cornstarch slurry, and I'm just letting that come to a boil. Mine was a little lumpy, so I got out the whisk just to make sure there was no like lumps of cornstarch. And then I've cut the heat back before I get ready to add my eggs. So it's kind of hard to see, but I've cut eggs and I'm putting them in a measuring cup just because it's what I had on hand. And then I'm going to whisk those around just to get them like scrambled and ready. And then I'm going to slowly drizzle those into my hot liquid, my hot soup mixture. And you just want to do this really slowly. You kind of want to go in a circle around the pot, and this just sort of evenly distributes the eggs, and it's what makes them kind of thin and fluffy. And then once you get the eggs in there, if you feel like you need to stir it, you can. You just want to be super gentle because you don't want to like scramble the eggs more and like mix them up. You want to have like the full chunk of egg in there. And you do want to make sure that the heat is turned down low because again, if it's at a full rolling boil, it's just going to scramble the eggs too much, and they're going to be too dispersed throughout the soup, which I mean, if that's what you want, go for it. But traditionally egg drop soup is like this, where it's kind of like a scramble in liquid. So just really gently stir it if you feel like you need to, and then just let it simmer for a few minutes. Make sure the eggs are cooked all the way, but there it is. If you want to see more recipes, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.